sampling distribution of means with replacement. Now question is given. A population consists of the values 4, 6, 8. All possible samples of size 2 are selected with replacement. Point 1. List all possible samples and compute their sample mean. Second point, find the sampling distribution of the sample means. Now, third point, calculate the mean and variance of the sampling distribution. Fourth, compare the mean of the sampling distribution with the population mean. Now we are going for calculation solution. Step 1. Population values 4, 6, 8. Now point 1. All possible samples of size 2 with replacement. Since sampling is with replacement, total samples equal to 3 multiplied by 3 equal to 9. Now you can see here sample 4 comma 4. Sample means first we add both values and divide by 2, we get 4. Same process, 4 plus 6 divide by 2, we get 5. 4 plus 8 divide by 2, we get 6. 6 plus 4 divide by 2, 5. 6 plus 6 divide by 2, 6. And same process we can calculate as a sample mean. Now you see second point, sampling distribution of sample mean. List of sample means 4, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 6, 7, 8. Now find the frequency of each sample mean. You know which is lowest number. Initial number will be start. 4 is the initial number. Then you write 4. Then we check how many times of 4. Only 1 times. Then you write 1. Now we check after 4. Second number is 5. Then you write 5. How many times 5? 1, 2, no other 5. Then you write 2. It means 5 is 2 times. Now we check next number 6. 1, 2, 3. It means 6 is a 3 times. Again next number 7. 1 and 2. You write 7 is a 2 times. Now 8. 8 is only 1 times. This is the frequency, number of times. So the sampling distribution is x equal to 4 equal to 1 upon 9. Now the value of sample mean x equal to 4. And how many quantities? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It means 1 upon 9. Same process you follow. Next step, x equal to 5. 5. It means you write 2 upon 9. Same. X equal to 6. It means you write 3 upon 9. Now Px equal to 7. You know what you write? 2 upon 9. Now Px equal to 8. Then you write 1 upon 9. Now third point, mean and variance of sampling distribution. Mean of sample means, you must be remember this formula. Ex mean equal to summation of mean x multiplied by Ex. Now which we have find the probability. Now first value of mean, you know, 4 multiplied by x, we get 1 upon 9. It means 4 multiplied by 1 upon 9. Then you write plus sign because summation is given. Next number is 5. X we get 2 upon 9. Now plus next 6 and px is 3 upon 9. Then next plus 7 and px we get 2 upon 9 and plus sign. Now next number is 8 multiplied by x is 1 upon 9. Then you simplify. You must be right in your copy and solve step by step. Then you can see here all numbers we will add, then divide by 9. Which number we get? Only 6 numbers we get. After the addition, then we divide by 9. Now, we find variance of sample mean. Variance of mean x equal to summation of mean x minus e mean x all square multiplied by p in x. Now you must be remember this formula, and we apply the values, put in the values. Mean x is 4, minus sign you write here. Ex we have find 6 according to your formula square you write here. This dot show is a multiplication. Now we put the values of px because the value of x and px is 1 upon 9. According to this condition summation, you write plus sign. Now mean x is 5, ex is minus 6. According to minus sign, ex is 6. Square you write, multiplications you write. If 5, then px is 2 upon 9. Then plus sign, according to plus sign, cos here is given summation sign. Now next value is 6 and ex is 6 all square, px is 3 upon 9. Now plus sign, same we put these values 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and in the all values which we have find. Now we simplify. First 4 minus 6, then square, get 1 upon 9 plus sign 5 minus 6, then square, then we get plus 1 multiply by 9 upon 2 upon 9. Right here, plus sign, 6 minus 6 we get 0. It means all this value is 0. Now 7 minus 6 is 1 because here is given square form. 8 minus 6 is 2 and square is given to the 4. After these values, then we simplify. You can see here we have simplified. Then final get this value is 1.33. This is variance of sample mean. Fourth point, comparison with population mean. Population mean mu equal to 4, 6, 8. We add divide by 3 because the quantity is 3. Then we get 6. So E mean x equal to mu equal to 6 confirms that the sampling distribution is unbiased. Final answer. Point 1. All possible samples, 9 combination listed above. Second point, sampling distributions, we get these values. Now third point, mean equal to 6 and variance is 1.33. Fourth point, mean of sampling distribution equal to population mean equal to 6. Okay, thank you.